Once you've written your first draft, you need to complete your sensory details pictures. The directions tell you that you need to do the following on 3 pieces of 8.5 by 11 computer paper. First, draw 3 scenes from your story, filling the entire page, coloring and including as many small details as you possibly can. Once you've done that, fold each picture into 4 equal parts, labeling them on the back of your picture: hearing, touch, smell, and taste. Write down what other sensory details might be present in the pictured scene in the 4 spaces that you've created. So let me show you what I mean. So on this page that says sensory details, you're going to fill all the space below and draw a picture of one of the scenes from your story. Include as much minute detail as possible and be sure to use color. So here's a picture of one of my characters fighting the Chimera. Once I've done this, I need to take care of that second piece of the directions where it tells you to fold each picture into 4 equal parts and label them on the back of your picture: hearing, touch, smell, and taste. So let's go ahead and do that. Here, let's pretend this is the back of my page. I am creating 4 sections. And I need to label them. Hearing, touch, smell, and taste. So if I head back to my directions, it tells me to write down other sensory details that might be present in that pictured scene. So let's go to my diagram. Okay, hearing. Let's try hearing first. So I would probably hear the Pegasus's wings flapping. I might hear the roar of the Chimera, maybe the stretch of the bowstring. So flapping of Pegasus's wings, roar of Chimera, crackling of fire, stretching bowstring. Maybe I would even hear those screams of people below. All right, touch. If I were the main character in this photograph, I would feel Pegasus's wings going up and down. I would feel the air rushing past my face, the rough bowstring. I might smell the Chimera's horrible breath. I might smell sweat, so I might be nervous. Taste. Maybe I can taste the burnt taste of the air. I might be able to taste licking my lips as I pull the bowstring back. So all of these sensory details are based on this picture. So I need to make sure that I draw 3 pictures, and then on the back of each picture, create this diagram going over the other 4 senses.